Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, and I am very excited because we're here to do some math. And we are going to be focusing this week on adding and subtracting 1. All right, so we're going to start with 1, and when you get really good at that, we're going to move on to 0 and 2, and before you know it, you're going to be like fluent within 10 and even 20. But for today and this week, let's focus on adding and subtracting 1. So as we often do, let's start with a word problem. Okay, so it says, let's read it. It says that Molly caught 6 butterflies in her net. Then 1 more butterfly flew into her net. How many butterflies are in her net now? So what I want to show you is, you may have seen this before. This is a math app on the computer, which I'll share with you. You can use it. And up here, if I click on this, I can click 10 frame. Okay, and I can, oops, no, I don't want that. I want the 10 frame. I can bring the 10 frame down. Okay, so it's a 10 frame, right? Because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spots. Okay, and if I click down here, I can click on butterfly yellow, and let's do butterfly black. Okay, so it says Molly caught 6 butterflies in her net. So I'm going to put 6 butterflies. 1, 2, 3. I just click and drag it. 4, 5, 6. Okay, then it says 1 more butterfly flew into her net. It doesn't say what color, but I like to change it just to make it clear what I'm doing. So I'm going to add 1 more butterfly. So I had, here, let me get my pen out here. This is a handy dandy thing. I had 6 butterflies. Okay, 1 more right here. 1 more flew in. So we're going to add 1. And now, how many butterflies do I have? Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? I have 1 more because what comes after 6? 7. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. So how many butterflies are in her net? Oops. Are in her net now? The answer would be 7 butterflies. All right. So what I would like you to do is take out your math packet. Okay. So your math packet looks like this. Grade 1 math remote learning packet. It has the dates. And you want to write your name on it. I put a spot there for you to put your name on it this time. So my name is Mr. McAndrew. And you want to turn to the first page that says Monday Word Problem with Mr. McAndrew. So you'll see it's the exact same problem we just did. Okay, but how would we do this on paper? Well, here's our 10 frame. Okay, I'm going to first draw 6 butterflies. Now, you don't have to draw actual butterflies because that would take you a long time. I mean, if you want to, you could sort of do like a little, I mean, it looks like an apple. I'm just not good at this. But if you want to do like a little butterfly, you could draw 6 of them. Personally, I'm just going to do a circle with 2 little antennas coming up. I know it looks like a tomato, but it's all right. The point, boys and girls, is to help you solve the problem, right? Not draw 5,000 butterflies. Here, let me try and draw 1 more butterfly that's better. Let's see. Is that better? All right. So we have 6 butterflies, 4 of which look like tomatoes. It's okay, we have 6. And then it says we add 1 more. So I'm going to use a different color. If you don't have different colors, that's fine. Maybe you could do, instead of a circle, you could do like a square or a triangle or something. But I'm going to do a different color. Okay, so I'm going to draw my... Okay, so I added 1 more. So I can see now I have 5, 6, plus 1 more gives me 7. Right? So my number sentence would be just what we did before. Would be that 6 plus 1 more equals 7. So please write this down on your paper. Okay? And once you've done that, If you need to pause the video to get that down, please do so, and then come back, okay? All right, so welcome back. So you should have this written down, and on the next page, there is a word problem that is very similar that I want you to do on your own, okay? So I will read it to you. It says Monday word problem. Now you try it, okay? It says Max caught 4 butterflies in his net. Then 1 more butterfly flew into his net. How many butterflies are in his net now? So I want you to use the 10 frame to draw a picture like we did on the other problem and then write your equation. Okay? All right, good job. There'll also be some math games to play today, so look out for those, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.